In this video, I will demonstrate or show you how you can download Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. So firstly, visit the third-party website. Go to the website such as itweaked.com. This one particularly open your browser and go to this website and then download the required file. Search for Roblox or a similar app on the site. Download the app, often with the zip or .nsp file type, and then install Homebrew app if required. Sometimes it is required for you to download this Homebrew app for you to download Roblox on your Nintendo Switch, but sometimes it will not be needed. Next is transfer the files. Using a micro SD card, transfer the app file to the appropriate folder on your Nintendo Switch, and then run the Homebrew app. And then, as you run this Homebrew application, you will now be able to play your Roblox on your Nintendo Switch without any problems or without any issues. And that is how you download or you transfer, and that is how you get Roblox on your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more content like this.